So this should say HV is parallel to UT. Let's go ahead and change that real quick. So I'm going to highlight HV is parallel to TU or UT. And then I'm going to highlight one transversal. The reason I'm not highlighting HR as my transversal, angle 7 is the only angle 7 given from that transversal. So I have to use this one. Because when I make VR my transversal, 6 and 8 are called what? If they're sliding, they're called the corresponding. Should y'all miss anything with the givens? Never. So let's write our first given. We have HV, and this line HV is parallel to UT. And what's the reasoning for that one? Given. Do not miss it. So since I know I have these two lines are parallel, the next thing I want to mention is something with a transversal. So angle 6 is congruent to angle 8. And let's kind of curly bracket 1 and 2. The order does matter. So I have to list parallelism and then congruency. So if two lines are parallel, then what angles are congruent? Good. Then corresponding angles are congruent. And let's make sure our order is good. It says parallel first, which I have, congruency, which I have next. Are we all good with that so far? Now we can go on to the next what? Given. So we know angle 6 is congruent to angle 7 by the given. Again, don't miss it. And we know our proof is our final goal anyway, so I can simply write that out. And then let's analyze statement number 2 and 3. So in my statement number 2 and 3, what angle has been repeated? Angle what? 6, right? So do I really have remaining 8 and 7 is congruent to? And our most often used property is what? Transitive property. Am I done just by saying transitive property? That's not full credit, right? I also need what? Of congruency. Are we all good with that? Very good.